Using the Subcontractor Liability Certificate feature, by recording the renewal date of the subcontractor's liability insurance, you're then able to check that they have a valid certificate before engaging their services on a contract. So to enter the certificate date, you need to locate the relevant subcontractor. So we'll go to search all companies. I'm going to put one in for flooring solutions. So double click on that. And then you can see we've got a button here for CIS details and liability insurance. So click on that. To the left, we've got all the CIS details, and then to the right, we've got the liability insurance details. Obviously, nothing's been put in for this yet. So we'll say we've got a renewal date of the 9th, 22. And then I can actually upload a copy of the certificate as well. So I can upload the documents, select the relevant document. So if we want flooring solutions, and then in it goes. And then I can view that simply by double clicking on it, and it takes me to a screen where we can view it. We could print it, or we could download a copy of it as well. Now, if I'm uploading the documents and I upload the wrong one, it's easy enough to remove. Simply click on it to highlight it and then clear selected documents, and it will remove that. Then simply save and finish. Then we're back to our listing, click finished, back to the search, and then back to the dashboard. Now, the other facilities we've got for the liability searches, we can search, has a current company got a current liability insurance, giving a list of the companies. So I click on that, click search, and that will show a list of all the companies with a current liability insurance. So we can just double click on them, go to the liability insurance, and then we get a list. So we can see that we've had last year's, then we've got this year's certificate. Again, just double click and it shows a copy of that. You've then got a facility to give a list of all the liability insurances that are due to expire next month. So it might be for your regular subcontractors, you want to chase them up to get a copy of that. So simply check the box there, click search, and then we get a list of those that are due to expire. So we look at Dormax Electrical, they're due to expire on the 18th of next month. We can then pull out a list of all liability insurances that have expired on the system. So if we look at Alpha Flooring, we can see their certificate expired in March this year. The other facility we've got is we can filter searches. So let's say we wanted to find an electrician in Nottingham that's got a current liability insurance. So I can use this search criteria. So has got a current liability insurance. We need to say the sub-trade, say that they're an electrical contractor, and we want to find one that's in Nottingham. Click search. It's only found the one, it's found Dormax Electrical. I can check the details from in there. Then go back to my search. So you can use any of these search filters in combination with the liability to find the records that you want. But just to reset everything, to pull up a list of all the stickers you've got, just click has got current liability insurance, and that will show you a list from there. And that's all there is to storing liability insurances.